Amanda with Sweet Pieces, and I have a special video for you today. We're actually going to show you how easy it is to remove Tempaper. So this is a fabulous wallpaper that we carry in the store. It's self-adhesive, so no yucky glues to deal with, no dipping papers into water. It just comes on a roll. It has a self-adhesive back. You peel it off, you stick it up, you enjoy it. And then when you get sick of it, because let's face it, our styles change pretty quickly sometimes, you just peel it off the wall. So I'm here today. It's a little bit of a sad day. We're in our Massapequa store and we're closing the Massapequa store. But the exciting news is that we have some really exciting stuff happening in Huntington. So definitely come visit us in Huntington. But let me show you how easy this is. So this has been up on the wall for, how long have we had this up here? I think it's gotta be, well, you know what? We put this up when we actually launched the line, so it's gotta be 2-3 years. And here we go. I caught a corner, I'm peeling it off. Look at this, it's coming right off. And I have to tell you, I'm kind of surprised by this myself because we've put up a lot of Tempaper, but we have never left it this long before taking it down. So this could have been a disaster. I could have not showed you this video if it didn't work, but it's working so easy. This is crazy. So when I was in college, I rented this little apartment and it had this horrible wallpaper on the walls. And I was much more interested in decorating my apartment than I was actually going to college. So I said I have to take all this wallpaper down. And my wonderful husband, who is now my husband, was at the time my boyfriend, helped me do it, and we swore we would never wallpaper anything. But then Tempaper came out. So look how easy this is. I don't know, were you guys timing me? How long did that take? 60 seconds? Was it 60 seconds? Maybe? I mean, easy peasy. I'm gonna do this whole wall. It's gonna be so simple. That's it. So get on our website, sweetpieces.com, and get some Tempaper. Get an accent wall. You could do it in the back of furniture. You could do it on your stair treads. You could do it, I don't know, there's a million places, inside of a drawer. It's so easy to use, hundreds of patterns. It's fantastic. So we'll be featuring some stuff, of course, as we always do, on all of our social media. So definitely hop over there and get inspired. Just look for Sweet Pieces. That's our name on all of our social media channels. Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course you guys know YouTube. So we'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more? Subscribe now.